Hello everyone, this is a video about the past continuous tense in Greek. It is called Παρατατικός, and you can follow this video even if you're studying Greek by yourself. However, if you're familiar with the past simple tense, you will be able to understand the rules better, and if you're not, you can click on the link below and find out more about the past simple tense. Okay, so in the past continuous, we're talking about actions that lasted for a period of time in the past, and also actions that kept repeating in the past. The rest of the rules now, some of them are similar to the past tense. First of all, the past continuous and the simple past have the same endings. They also require for the verb to have 3 syllables minimum. Therefore, if the verb initially in the present tense has 2 syllables, we will add an extra epsilon in front to create 3 syllables for the past simple and the past continuous. Both tenses are stressed 2 syllables before the last one. The last syllable, doesn't go through any changes. You keep the consonant as it is. For example, the verb βλέπω, which means I see, it has 2 syllables. We add an extra epsilon in front. Βλέπα. That P in the last syllable stays the same. In the verb πληρώνω, which means I pay, it becomes πλήρωνα. The only thing that changes here is, of course, the endings, and the shifting of the stress. Now, moving on to verbs, we're going to have a look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 verbs on this video. The verb I run, I open, I pay, I see, and I read. First one is I run. Initially, it's τρέχω. It has 2 syllables. We need to add an extra epsilon in front and move the stress 1 syllable to the left. Έτρεχα. Έτρεχες, έτρεχε, τρέχαμε, τρέχατε, έτρεχα. Next verb, I open. It has 3 syllables already. Ανοίγω. So you don't need to add anything. You keep it as it is. You just move the stress 1 syllable to the left and you add the endings of the past tense. Άνοιγα, άνοιγες, άνοιγε, ανοίγαμε, ανοίγατε, άνοιγα. You will also notice that here the stress moves back to 1 syllable on we and you, all, you plural, because the ending adds an extra syllable. So we need to move it, and the stress needs to be always 2 syllables before last. Next verb is πληρώνω, to pay. And in the past continuous, πλήρωνα. Here you don't need to add anything. You just shift the stress and add the syllables. Πλήρωνα, πλήρωνες, πλήρωνε, πληρώναμε, πληρώνατε, πλήρωναν. One more thing, one more little secret is that if you notice the first person, I, and the last person, they, are quite similar. Yes, the only difference is that in they, you add a ni in the end. Πλήρωνα, πληρώναν. And you will notice this happening in all verbs in the past continuous. Next verb, it's βλέπω, I see, has 2 syllables. We need to add an extra epsilon. Έβλεπα, έβλεπες, έβλεπε, βλέπαμε, βλέπατε, έβλεπαν. Next verb, διαβάζω. It has 3 syllables. We don't need to add anything. We just move the stress. Διάβαζα, διάβαζες, διάβαζε, διαβάζαμε, διαβάζατε, διάβαζαν. Now let's have a look at a few examples so you can see in what sort of situations we use the past continuous tense. First one. Τρέχαμε πίσω από το λεωφορείο. We were running behind the bus. Άνοιγε τα παράθυρα κάθε μέρα. She was opening the windows every day. Πλήρωναν πολλούς λογαριασμούς. They were paying lots of bills. Έβλεπα ταινίες κάθε εβδομάδα. I was watching films every week. Διάβαζες τα νέα στις εφημερίδες. You were reading the news on the newspapers. If you like this video, please press the like button below and subscribe to my channel so you can get my new uploaded videos first. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be seeing you soon.